Hey guys, it's G. Welcome back to my channel. Now today is going to be like a vlog style video. I love vlogging and I really want to do it a lot more in 2021, not two. I've actually already filmed a video today. It's taken me like 2 hours to film, but it was basically a get ready with me style of video. Get ready with me, boss woman vibes, which I absolutely love. Please don't even ask about my outfit. Yes, I'm wearing this really pretty shirt, but I have no idea why I've popped white leggings on with me. Like, these leggings don't even look white, they're cream, and this shirt is white, so it doesn't even match, but I just want it to be comfy for my video, so yeah. Please don't mind that. But today I'm just going to be filming and doing worky bits. I'm not even kidding, my shirt was doing me dirty because it wasn't tucking into my bra. Even though this outfit looks a hot mess, it doesn't look that bad. And I was pretty comfy during my video, which literally, that's all that matters. But today I've just been filming. Like I said, I've got this outfit on, I've got leggings on from Pretty Little Thing, and then I'm just wearing my white shirt, which the collars are a little bit too big, but because of my short hair, it's probably giving me like boss vibes, like girl boss vibes, which is the whole idea behind today's video that I filmed. But you know what? I love it. I think it definitely gives me, what's that woman at? It definitely gives me that character off The Incredibles, like the woman with bobbed hair. That is literally me right now. But I've not had dinner and it's 1:30. In fact, but it's actually 1:30 and I've not had any dinner. So I think I'm going to grab some dinner and then, yeah, God knows what I'm going to do for the rest of the day. Lockdown is just boring. You can't do much other than work and film, sleep and eat, which is most of the time I'm sleeping. But yeah, I think I'm actually going to stay in this outfit just because it's nice to feel like I've gotten ready for the day. And I think I might even try and film another video later on just to try and be productive, which most days I'm not. But today I'm going to try my best to be a little bit more productive than I've been this week. I've currently just got my dinner. Now I'm a nightmare because normally I don't eat dinner, I skip it. I have my breakfast and then by the time dinner comes I'm never hungry. That's just because of my medication that I'm on. I'm never ever hungry, which is the total opposite of what I used to be. But I've just got some soup, leek and potato soup. However, I've got myself a slice of tiger bread, which my mum and dad don't normally get in. But normally I never eat bread. Like, I don't eat bread on a daily. I never eat it. I don't eat toast. However, when my dad brings home tiger bread, hello. And then, just to make life even better, my dad has just made me a coffee, which again is something that I've just been drinking. January is a month of drinking coffee because I think it's helping when I feel tired, which is perfect because, again, I'm going to say this a lot, but my medication makes me feel so tired and drained. So a cheeky little coffee is what I need to help me get through the day, especially when I've got a lot of filming to do. Like, I love me a coffee. This is the best. But I'm going to drink my coffee, I'm going to eat my dinner, and also something happened the other day that I can't believe happened. So, yeah, I'm going to eat my dinner and then I'm going to tell you guys about, the mad week I've had. Does anybody else get like this where you film or you get ready and that is just a whole load of mess? I've got my dinner over here and then all this mess over here, so I'm going to actually tidy this up while my camera is charging because I'm currently on my phone right now. So yeah, look at this. Yummy. I mean, this is just delicious. I'm actually embarrassed. I couldn't be more embarrassed about this if I tried. This is just gross. Ew. I need to tidy this up. If you're wondering why the hell I look like a granddad with my cardigan on, I'm so embarrassed. I can't believe I'm actually looking like this on the internet. This is the reality of me. Yes, I look so glam on camera, and then reality is I go off camera and I do this and I make myself look like a 84-year-old woman, which I love that. But I'm so freaking cold, I'm freezing. This is the side of my health, which I love. The perks of having kidney stones, I go from being normal to being shivery cold, and it's not even that cold today. It's actually quite warm in my room, but I'm freezing, so I'm actually looking like this. Like, I'm actually looking like a granddad with my with my cardigan, and this is why I always wear it all the time, because I'm always cold. And it doesn't help with the weather, but with my kidney stones, it's not great. Like, we go from sweating hot to shivering cold, and my mum and dad know me for having no clothes on because I'm always half dressed. Like, I'm always wearing bralettes. I'm always just wearing like mainly like loungewear underwear. So when my mum and dad see me in bed wrapped up in this like and chenille dressing gown that's longer than me, excuse me, what was that? My bed is actually teddy bear fleece. So can you imagine this? Like, can you vision me in bed with this on? Then I've got my teddy bear bedding over the top. All you can see is my head. That's how I sleep at night because I get so cold. That has never happened. So you know that I'm ill when that happens, because normally I am like, yeah, I never wear stuff like this in the house. Never, ever. So I'm very grateful that I have this. Like, thank you, Lounge, for providing the goods, because this has really helped me during my kidney stone episodes. We love that. If you're wondering why the quality and the sound has changed, because I've already been filming for 2 hours today, my camera has completely died. I mean, it isn't that bad quality-wise, it's not horrendous, it could be better, but hopefully when I get my new phone, once this contract's up, which isn't too long, which is this like within the next few months, I'm pretty sure I can upgrade my phone in the next 2 or 3 months. I should be able to vlog more on my phone, just because it's so much easier and I can just grab my phone and film really randomly, which is perfect. So I'm gonna go and drink my coffee now, which is nearly gone. Can we just appreciate this cup before I go? Like, this is the most girliest cup I think I've ever owned, and you can tell my mum buys my cups because pink, hello? Like, we don't even know her. Yeah. Hot drink of the day, number 3. Yeah, this is my 3rd hot drink, but I've actually got a cup of tea, and I have also got a cheeky homemade, it's not even focused. I've also got a cheeky homemade from my mum, a banana and walnut muffin. She makes these and they're just incredible. They're pretty like low as well, they're not too like naughty, and I think I have mentioned these before, but they're the best. And I think these ones that Mum's made this time are like the best she's ever made. Mum is honestly so amazing at making like muffins, cookies, biscuits, just good bloody food. So yeah, shout out to these muffins because they really get me through the day. So this is like, I'm jumping in here because my video, the rest of this vlog got corrupted. So as you can tell, when I've been editing, I look like this. I've got no makeup on. I've got like the comfiest outfit on. Since I've had nothing but hell with my video today, everything's just gone wrong, but that's fine. Like, it's life. It's gonna happen. But just to make this vlog that bit better, because it really isn't, I wanted to tell you guys that last week I got an email saying, "You're on Vogue." Now, I didn't believe this in the slightest. I thought it was a scam because I can sometimes get quite a lot of like spam. I actually can get a lot of scams through emails and stuff. I've had quite a few emails that look like scams, so this one came through. Then I of course saw the person who sent it me and I couldn't believe it. So a few months ago, back in like the middle of lockdown last year, I worked with Instagram and Facebook to do like a really cool campaign to talk about, you know, the industry, change in the future, Gen Z and things like that. I spoke about diversity on social media in general. Honestly, it was such a cool experience, but we did have a lot of issues. Like, we filmed it 4 times and every time there was an issue. It was a lot of faff, but it was worth it in the end. And then to receive an email the other day saying I made it in Vogue was just the most surreal thing. I'll pop it up now on the screen, but like, what the hell? Just because I did this Instagram thing, which I obviously didn't expect, British Vogue actually saw it and popped it on their website and did like an article on it, which is just so surreal. I can't believe it. Like, that's I'm sorry, but isn't that just a dream come true to be in Vogue? Like, what the hell? So yeah, I wanted to share that with you because it was something that was so surreal and so exciting, and these things literally wouldn't happen without you guys. I'm so sorry about the noise in the background. I live in a house and it's very noisy, so please do not mind that. But yeah, I made it into Vogue. I can't believe it. Like, that is so just madness to me. And it is honestly all because of you guys. Like, these things literally wouldn't even happen if it wasn't for you watching this right now. For those of you who are constantly supporting me, giving me love, nothing but love. Like, I really, really appreciate it. So thank you guys for this. Like, this literally wouldn't have even been possible, and this wouldn't have happened if it wasn't for you guys. So thank you. I can't believe it. What I'll do is, if you did want to read like the full article, I'll actually leave a link in the description box where you can read like my little part in Vogue, because I had no idea Vogue was covering this or even saw it. So the fact that Vogue have seen me, like they know who I am, is just mad. It really is. But that is the end of today's vlog. I'm so sorry that it's just been a bit of a a bit of a mess, but sometimes life doesn't go how it goes, and especially with me in technology, sometimes things just do not go to plan, but that's okay, because I brought you good news, and that is a positive. So yeah, I'm sorry that I've had to end it looking pretty tired and rough, but honestly, I'm just trying to keep it real and show you guys that I don't look glam all the time. But I do hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Make sure you check you're still subscribed, or if you haven't already, subscribe. YouTube is subscribing a lot of people from everyone's channels, so if you can check that, that would mean a lot to me. But I hope you all have a lovely evening and a lovely day, wherever you are in the world, and I'll see you guys in the next video.